Assalamu alaikum. I am Kaji Shahna Firdaus Shibli, English teacher of Bamna Asmatunisa Pilot Secondary Girls School, Upachala Bamna, District Borguna. My class of today is for the students of class 9 and 10. So, my dear students, you are most welcome to my online class of English first paper. How are you, students? Hope you are very well by the grace of Almighty, and I am also fine. Come on, students, we are going to start today's lesson, May Day, Unit 3, Lesson 2, page 31. Dear students, please open your textbook and take your exercise book and a pen. Students, look at the blackboard. I have written my topic, May Day. Today's lesson, Unit 3, Lesson 2. Have you written? Thank you. Now, I am reading the passage. Request you to follow me. Follow the pronunciation. Try to understand what the passage is saying. I am starting. Please listen to me attentively. May Day. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It's a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Students, here observe means উদযাপন করা, পালন করা, commemorate স্মৃতিচারণ করা, struggle সংগ্রাম, sacrifice ত্যাগ, establish প্রতিষ্ঠা করা. Now, since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the USA, the workers in mills and factories have been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. My dear students, listen to me, please. Industrial Revolution, Shilpo Biplab. Industrial Revolution, that means Shilpo Biplab. Next, on May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, students, inspired means utshahito kora. Inspire means utshahito kora. Half of the workers at the McCormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went on a strike demanding an 8-hour workday. Students, demand means chahida. Demands means chahida. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Machine Company, and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed. Address means বক্তৃতা দেয়া. Address means বক্তৃতা দেয়া. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers. Urged means here প্রেরণা দেয়া. Urged means প্রেরণা দেয়া. They urged the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers, strike means dharmoghat, strike breakers means dharmoghat bhongokari. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly means হঠাৎ. Suddenly about 200 policemen attacked them. Attack means here আক্রমণ করা. Attacks means আক্রমণ করা. Attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed. Instantly. Instantly means সঙ্গে সঙ্গে. Instantly সঙ্গে সঙ্গে. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded আহত হওয়া. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many others were injured. Injured means আহত হওয়া. Injured means আহত হওয়া. The events of May 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Here, reminder means স্মরণচিহ্ন. Reminder means স্মরণচিহ্ন. Continue চলতে থাকা. Continue চলতে থাকা. Exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. This was at the page of 31 and 32, my dear students. I hope you have listened to me attentively. Listen to me and understood very much what the passage is saying. Now, dear students, if you enrich your vocabulary, you will be able to know the text more easily. So, let us see some vocabulary at a glance. My dear students, now we shall learn word meaning, English meaning and synonym. Look at the blackboard, please. At first, we can see on the blackboard, my dear students, observe. Observe, this is a verb. Bengali meaning উচ্চারণ করা, পালন করা. English meaning is to notice something or celebrate important days. Notice something or celebrate important days. Synonym commemorate, celebrate. Synonym commemorate, celebrate. Number 2, commemorate. Commemorate, this is a verb. স্মৃতিচারণ করা. Its Bengali meaning is স্মৃতিচারণ করা. English meaning recall and show respect for somebody or something. Recall and show respect for somebody or something. Synonym celebrate, observe. Synonym we can see celebrate, observe. Struggle. Struggle is a noun. Bengali meaning সংগ্রাম. English meaning a forceful attempt to get free. A forceful attempt to get free. Synonym labor, toil. Synonym labor and toil. Sacrifice. Sacrifice is a noun. That means Bengali word ত্যাগ, উৎসর্গ, ত্যাগ, উৎসর্গ. English meaning is the fact of giving up something important or valuable. The fact of giving up something important or valuable. Synonym, renunciation. Synonym, renunciation. Establish. Establish is a verb. প্রতিষ্ঠা করা। বেঙ্গলি মিনিং হচ্ছে প্রতিষ্ঠা করা, ইংলিশ মিনিং হচ্ছে to start or create a system, an organization, etc. To start or create a system, an organization, etc. Synonym, start, set up. Synonym, start, set up. Next word, my dear students, attentively, I hope you will be attentive for the lesson. Number 6, we can see inspire. Inspire, there is a verb, উৎসাহিত করা, উৎসাহিত করা। English meaning হচ্ছে means to give somebody desire, means to give somebody desire, confidence to do something well, confidence to do something well. To give somebody desire, confidence to do something well. Synonym, encourage, motivate. Synonym, encourage, motivate. Demand. Demand is a verb. দাবি করা। বেঙ্গলি মিনিং হচ্ছে দাবি করা। ইংলিশ মিনিং হচ্ছে means to ask for something, to ask for something very firmly, to ask for something very firmly. Synonym, want, claim. Synonym, want, claim. Now we can learn about address. Address is a verb. বক্তৃতা দেয়া। Address is a verb. বক্তৃতা দেয়া। English meaning to make a formal speech. To make a formal speech to a group of people. Synonym, speak. Synonym, speak. Urge. Urge, verb. This is a verb, and this word's Bengali meaning is prerona deya. Prerona deya. That means to advise or try hard to persuade somebody to do something. I am telling again, that means to advise or try hard to persuade somebody to do something. And synonym, inspire, encourage. Synonym, inspire, encourage. Strike. Strike, this is a noun. This is a noun, and this word's Bengali meaning is dharmaghat, and English meaning a refusal to work organized by a body of employees. I am telling again, a refusal to work organized by a body of employees. Synonym, walk out. Synonym, walk out. Suddenly. Suddenly, adjective, adverb, sorry. Suddenly, this is an adverb. আকস্মিকভাবে অথবা হঠাৎ। এর অর্থ হচ্ছে আকস্মিকভাবে অথবা হঠাৎ। ইংলিশ মিনিং হচ্ছে act against someone or something, act against someone or something. Synonym, hit or assault. Synonym, hit or assault. Next word, instantly. Instantly, this is an adverb. সঙ্গে সঙ্গে, this is an adverb. Bengali meaning is সঙ্গে সঙ্গে. English meaning is immediately. Immediately. Now we can see on the blackboard, my dear students, Owned. Owned. This is a verb. Bengali meaning ahuto hawa. Ahuto hawa. English meaning হচ্ছে owned. Owned means to be injured in any part of the body. Owned means to be injured in any part of the body. Synonym injured heart. Synonym injured heart. Injured. Injured হচ্ছে verb. আহত হওয়া. Injured verb and আহত হওয়া. To harm yourself. To harm yourself on somebody else physically. To harm yourself on somebody else physically. Synonym won't hurt. Synonym won't hurt. Next word, reminder. Reminder, it is a noun and স্মরণ চিহ্ন. বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে স্মরণ চিহ্ন. ইংলিশ অর্থ হচ্ছে English meaning something that makes you think about or remember somebody or something. I am saying again, reminder means something that makes you think about or remember somebody or something. Synonym হচ্ছে souvenir. Synonym souvenir. Continue. Continue verb. বাংলা অর্থ চলতে থাকা. বাংলা অর্থ চলতে থাকা. English meaning is to keep happening without stopping. To keep happening without stopping. Synonym carry on, persist. Synonym carry on, persist. Exploit. My dear students, our last word, exploit. Exploit, this is a verb and Bengali meaning হচ্ছে শোষণ করা. Exploit, শোষণ করা. Means to treat somebody unfairly. Means to treat somebody unfairly. Synonym oppress. Synonym oppress. My dear students, I hope you all have written these words, word meanings and synonyms on your exercise book, and I hope you all have understood very well today's lesson of mine and ours. I hope you have learned pronunciation, I hope you have understood what the lesson is saying about. You all practice well at home. My dear students, no more today. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.